My name is Jerry Layton, and I work at the Dobbs location in O'Fallon. The 3 words that best describe Dobbs would be honest, heartwarming, and fair. My hobby would be bodybuilding. I got into it about 3 years ago. No, but we do get a lot of kidding about that. I get a lot of questions on how I do my physical as far as bodybuilding and keeping a strong house and being able to still work a job. When I'm not here at work and not working out or training, I love to spend time with my wife and kids. My daughter is a Miss USA preteen for the United States, and my son is very high up in BMX racing. Oldest thing in my fridge would probably be a bottle of vodka, because I haven't drank in over probably 2 years. Best concert I've ever attended would probably be Justin Timberlake. He gives an awesome concert. I have been to another good concert though too. Metallica gives a very good concert. That was back in my early days. If there was a fight between Spider-Man and the Incredible Hulk would win hands down. He is the toughest of them all.